Wix website portfolio tutorial, how to create a portfolio website using Wix. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a portfolio website using Wix. So let's get started. To get started, click on create new site, and once you click on create new site, you have a couple of different options on Wix. So you can either start the chat with the AI or set up without chat, and I'm going to set up without chat, and I have created my free Wix account so you can sign up with your email address, and that is it. Now, I am going to skip these onboarding questions for building our site because I want to show you guys where your onboarding questions actually matter. So over here, it is going to show you your dashboard, and on top of your dashboard, you're going to have a pop-up. You want to actually fill this pop-up in. So I want to call this website Lilies, and then I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to answer what type of website I want to build. So I just want to build a display my creative work and promote myself. Then I'm going to click on continue once more, and it recommends certain apps, but I'm going to skip this. And then I'm just going to click on continue to dashboard. This allows you to really customize how you want to build your site. From here, click on Design Site on the top right. Now, you have two options. You can either proceed with the design with AI or customize a template. This is up to your personal preference on how you want to get started. You can even continue with the setup. Now, if you click on pick a template, which I personally do really like, you can proceed with any one of these templates, and you can even click on blank templates on the top right. This allows you access to blank templates, which can help you in customization and just be easier for you to get started with. So we have this particular template, and I'm just going to click on view. Once I do that, this is what it looks like. We have a really simple layout with a image slider, a home, a gallery, and a contact tab. So this is a really nice blank template that you can use for portfolio building. There are several other types of templates available. We have showcase portfolio, overlapping layouts, gallery layouts, and more. I'm going to go with the minimal layout and click on edit over here. Once I click on edit, I can proceed on to the Wix website editor so we can begin designing our Wix portfolio. Now, once we have the website editor loaded up, we can start adding our content. And if you're proceeding with the AI onboarding of Wix, then that also allows you to create a AI generated content for your business like this. So you can enhance your AI content and you can add details about your site. This is a portfolio site, and this is instead of Lilies, I'm going to call this, I think I'm just going to call it Lilies. And then this is a portfolio for my work as a makeup, or let's say a portfolio for my work as a photographer with over 7 years of experience. And then after that, my name is Lily Davis, and I started photography at the age of 20. I have photographed weddings, model shoots, clothing shoots, or product photography. Now, the more details you provide over here, the better content it can generate, because instead of having just blank default content, it adds content according to your description that you provide. This is more helpful when you're using a complete template because the standard templates can have a lot of pre-built content in them. Now, once we've done that, we can proceed with editing. On the top right, I'm going to click on zoom into 100 so it's easier for us to see. Now, it says Lily Davis Photography, which I think looks fine. Then on the right, I'm going to click on Add Apps, and you will see certain apps might be integrated into your template. Now, you can view them by clicking on the icon right down below, which is Wix Forms and Payments. This is not relevant to me, so I can delete it. If I want, I can include applications that are for bookings. This is up to your personal preferences. Now I'm going to go over here, and there isn't exactly a portfolio application that is going to improve your basic showcase of work, but there is a Wix portfolio app that allows you to segregate your work section. This is just something that works better when you have a complete website where you want a designated section for your portfolio, but it still is a great app to use. You can click on Add to Site over here and a new tab will pop up. And now Wix Portfolio is being added into your layout. Once this is completed, we're going to remove the gallery tab from the top menu bar, as it is not something we want to include when we already are creating a separate section for our portfolio. So once this has been added, yeah, so just like this, we have added this. Now on the top left, you will see all of your site pages. I'm going to click on home. And once I go into my home page, we can begin adding our content. So welcome to the Lily Davis photography portfolio. I think this is a bit redundant, so I'm going to delete this text tab. I'm going to move this up like so, and then I'm going to rephrase this. Welcome to my view of the world, like this. And then I have a view my work tab, which I think looks fine. Then I'm going to click on the section and then click on manage media. Once I click on manage media over here, I can select images that I want. I have 3 images added in the slider by default. We can add more if we want, but now I can just click on add image or add media from the top right. And we can even use media from Wix. I am just going to be using media from Wix, but you obviously should be uploading your own photos. And I'm going to click on add to page, then I'm going to select the second one. I'm just going to remove all the extra content and then add media, add image, going into media from Wix. We're going to click on add page, image, and then I'm just adding 3 images to represent my photography portfolio in my homepage. Once I've done that, I can click on done and the images in my homepage slider have been replaced. Now you guys can see my text is not very visible, so I'm going to click on my text, click on edit text, then I can click on the color, and then I'm going to change the color to white. Similarly, I'm going to change the color on the button down below. So I'm going to click on the design, and then I can make this a solid button, or I can switch out the colors of the button. I think I prefer if it was a solid button, so I'm going to do that. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on the button and then click on the linked section, and then I'm going to change it to actually lead people to my portfolio page. Then I can click on done. Once we've done that, we can scroll on to the top left where we have our page, and we're going to go into our portfolio. Now in your portfolio by default, you will have a section for adding collections and adding different projects. So you can manage these pages and add or remove them accordingly, but for now, we're just going to click on save. I'm going to save it with the free Wix domain, and once I've done that, I can click on go to dashboard on the top left. Once I do that, I will see a tab for my portfolio on the left of my Wix dashboard. From here, you can include different projects and collections, and you're just going to upload them over here, and they would be added into the projects page and the collections page on your Wix website without having to edit them in the website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.